Friends, in this video, we will see that Chi has come to her friend Chu's house to attend a party for the purchase of a new fan. So today, we will learn addition and subtraction while listening to their conversation.
Hello, Choo. Come, Gigi. Oh, wow, Choo. Your new fan is giving out cold air. Now give a party from the remaining 12 rupees after buying this new fan.
Chi, what could we buy from 12 rupees? Look, I have 80 rupees with me now. Chi, tell me whatever you want to eat. I will call uncle at the hotel and order a pizza for you and a burger for me.
Choo, pizza costs 45 rupees and burger costs 29 rupees. So what will be the total cost of both?
Come on, let's put 45 and 29 in the box of ones, tens and do their addition.
We have to add the numbers of the box of ones first. Here, if we will add 5 ones to the bigger number 9, after 9 it will be 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14.
There are 4 ones and 1 tens in 14. So, we will write 4 in the place of ones and carry over 1 in the place of tens at the top.
Now, if we will add 2 tens in the bigger number, 4 tens in the box of tens, it will be 6 tens, and if we will add 1 ten carry over in 6 tens, then it will be 7 tens.
So in this way, if we will add 29 rupees to 45 rupees, it will be 7 tens and 4 ones means 74 rupees. So the total price of 1 pizza and 1 burger will be 74 rupees.
Choo, you have 80 rupees. If you will spend 74 rupees from them, total how many rupees would you be left with?
Come on, let's do the subtraction of 74 from 80 to know this.
First of all, we will do subtraction of numbers of the box of ones. Here we cannot subtract 4 from 0. So we will borrow 1 ten from 8 tens.
Now it will be 10 ones in place of 0 in the box of ones and 7 tens in the place of 8 tens in the box of tens.
Now if we will subtract 4 ones from 10 ones, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 ones left. And if we will subtract 7 tens from 7 tens, it will be 0 left in the box of tens.
Yes, so in this way, if we will subtract 74 rupees from 80 rupees, it will be 6 ones means 6 rupees will be left. Now, let me call the uncle at the hotel.
Oh, Choo, stop. We should not eat junk food at all.
Yes, stop. I will bring halwa made by my mother. Take this halwa. My mother has made it.
I had so much fun, Choo. Okay, I will go now.
Bye, Chi. Friends, today in this video, we learned addition and subtraction with the help of interesting conversation between Chi and Choo. In the next video, we will understand some interesting things related to addition and subtraction.